right, perfect. I'm resting it on a $200 Apple Pencil for however much it is, but or no, that's a Chinese Apple Pencil, so it's not $200. So that's at least good. Okay, so the thing is, we're not. It's not running, so let's fix it. So let's figure out how to fix it. So basically, sometimes it runs, sometimes it exits immediately. I mean, you can see it runs a couple times and then it exits. So the thing is, the thing that's happening is since we're glitching it, we're sometimes getting garbage, and that garbage is resulting in us, getting garbage back, et cetera, et cetera. So now I feel like we actually need to try to flush the data. So let's try it. Let's see if we can get it to work. So basically, here, wait, let's actually try to sleep.